Now suppose you are driving your car and it started from 0. What exactly it is showing in the speedometer, or sometimes you call it odometer. So speedometer is a device which shows the speed of your car, right? You are accelerating the car. What does the term means accelerating? You are increasing its speed. The speed increases from 0 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 50 or 60. That means speed is getting increased. So do we have a term for increased speed? Yes, we have a term, and I already mentioned it. That is called acceleration. So acceleration, this is the next definition, is defined as rate of change of speed or velocity. Okay, it is, again the line is a bit slant, now I think it's straight. So it's rate of change of velocity. Now why I'm precisely using the word velocity, as it is used for displacement, I'm not using the word speed. I want you to get habitual with this term, because even in higher classes you will be dealing only with velocity, not with speed, and anyhow velocity and displacement are the main factors involved in the measurements of positions. Okay, now rate of change of velocity, what does this mean? And I've already explained you the fact that speed and velocity remain same if you are not changing your direction. And in this chapter, the motion and the class which you are studying, there is no change of direction. You have to study the motion in one dimension, that is straight line. So you don't have to be any problematic thing with this term velocity or speed, right? The concept is clear. Speed and velocity will be same till the object is going in a straight line, unless and until it changes its direction, right? Now let me proceed. Rate of change of velocity means an object which is traveling at 30 meter per second, taking two cases, is now in an interval of 10 seconds, again 10 seconds, it is now moving with 60 meter per second, and here it is moving with 10 meter per second. In the first case, object increased its speed, whereas the second case, object decreased its speed. Acceleration means rate of change of velocity, that means change of velocity. What does this term rate means? Rate means the physical quantity is getting divided by time. So change of velocity upon time means final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. What is final velocity? First case, it says this is 60 minus 30 upon time is 10 seconds, whereas in second case this is 10 minus 30 upon 10 seconds. This becomes 30 upon 10, which is 3 upon 10, that is 3. I'll give you the units in a while, so let me write a big 0 so that I'll write the units. I want you to know what is the importance of units. And here it will be 10 minus 30, which is minus 20 upon 10, that means minus 2 units. First of all, acceleration decides or explains whether there is an increase or decrease in velocity. For example, here the acceleration value is 3 positive, that means the velocity has increased. The negative value represents that velocity has decreased. Number 2, I want you to know what is the basic thing with units.